So you went to your cPanel and you deleted all these files. Probably you were high or something and your site doesn't work now. You can't even log in. So just go to this URL, reinstall your previous files, and boom, our site is back again like nothing happened. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are taking a look at a very useful tool called wpreset. If you want to check it out, then you can do so from the discount link in the description. Starting this video by addressing the problem first. You have used WordPress to build website. You know how easy and customizable it is. You also know that it goes haywire from time to time, like you installed a new plugin or you copied and pasted something from Stack Overflow and you end up messing your whole website. To solve this issue, I found this plugin to be very helpful. It's called wpreset. Along with the restoring that we did in the intro, it does a bunch of things that makes the developer's life easier. Let's have a look at how it all works. To get started, you can either go to plugins and install wpreset and add your license key. Or if you don't want your clients to see your keys and mess around, you can go to your wpreset website's dashboard, and from there you get the option to add the domain of that website for keyless activation. Make sure to tick white label option for that. Once we have the plugin installed, we can start using it. Easy as that. There are a bunch of options when resetting the website. As you can see on the screen that we have resetting options and what each option does. So option reset just resets the widgets, transients and settings. Whereas site reset deletes all the post, comments and users but not the theme, which is good for removing demo content when installing themes. And nuclear reset is just bring it down to how it was when you installed a fresh copy of WordPress. Other than resetting with these three options, you could also reset individual items from the tools menu. Getting to the interesting part, that is snapshot. Snapshots are like backups of your website. If something goes wrong, you can restore those anytime. We can either create manual backups or we can even set auto backups whenever we update theme, plugins or any other event. This is very helpful and can save a lot of hard work if you haven't realized yet. Next feature that I want to show is collections. Suppose you are a freelancer and you make WordPress websites for a living, and there are certain go-to plugins and themes that you have to install every time you make a new website. Here with the help of connections, you can deploy that in just one click. And you can save those collections to your cloud account. Not just that, if you go to setting, you can enable saving snapshots to cloud. That's great. Yes, some other settings that you can play with like automatic backups, auto delete, optimized tables, etc. Lastly, I've saved the best one for the last. Let's say you were messing around with your WordPress files in the cPanel and suddenly your website stopped working. Even to the extent where you cannot access the dashboard. So what would you do? You go to this secret URL, enter the password, and your website is back again. So this is an emergency recovery script in the wpreset. It is a life savior, and with this recovery we can not only restore from the snapshot, but we can also reinstall core files, disable plugins, change theme, edit options, create new admin and much more. So I feel like anyone who deals with WordPress needs this plugin. Though there are few shortcomings, one being the plugin does not work with the Elementor hosting, and second, it cannot be used as a migration tool. So you cannot snapshot a site and install that on another one, though you can do it if the domain is same and you are just shifting your hosting provider, but not like a domain to domain migration tool. Coming to the price of saving your soul, they have three plans: personal, team and agency. Personally, I found the team to be the best value for money, and the thing is that I bought it from AppSumo, so it is one-time investment, while the other two plans are on per year basis. To me, $49 for 5 websites is good. Also, we can just remove the plugin when a website is completed and use that license on the next website. Something to note is that AppSumo also has 60-day money back, so if you don't like it, awesome, return it. So if you want to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Now, if you are looking for a good email marketing tool, then this video right here will definitely help. And if you want to write articles that rip Google's ranking apart, then there you go. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye-bye.